Rylee.
Good morning.
Wait a second. This is horrible lighting. Let me see your hair. It stayed in last night. We were so worried that it would fall out during your headstand turn.
Yeah.
And then it stayed in like perfectly all night. Turn around. Even your ponytail. So we changed the colors since it didn't match your outfit, but even it stayed in. So, what's up?
Okay, so we are in County Market's parking lot right now, and later today at 2 we're going to watch the USA Gymnast all-around finals live, and I'm really excited. I can't wait. And then
Who's your favorite gymnast?
Simone and Allie's going too, but I like both of them.
Who do you think will win?
Simone.
Hopefully go like 1 and 2.
Yeah, that would be really cool. Okay, and since it's Thursday, so Thursday football is on tonight. It's just preseason, but we're all really excited.
It's the Broncos.
Yeah, it's the Broncos are playing today, and I can't wait. Okay, guys, so we just got home from County Market, and then we went to Aldi's, and this is what Kenzie's doing again. A familiar sight.
My kitchen.
Hey, her bed's made. And
I found coin.
over here.
I'm over here.
Hey, Austin's helping this time.
Yes. I found coin.
Oh gosh, it gets worse.
It's
Yeah.
not real.
Okay,
It is real.
so
But it's old.
she's doing that, and we're in the kitchen cooking, and we're going to make an Olympic cake. So we have our M&Ms here, and we're gonna like take the colors, and we're gonna make rings out of it, and it's gonna look really cute.
Looking good, Rylee.
Yeah, we're placing M&Ms. Mommy did the red and the brown.
Well, brown is supposed to be what?
Black, but
Yeah.
it looks black. It's actually really fun.
I really like your hair.
When we went to Aldi's, the lady asked, she was like, I have to ask you a question. How long did it take to do your hair? And it was funny.
How long did it take?
Like 24 minutes.
25-ish minutes? Doesn't take very long, does it?
Can I fit one
We're
there?
pretty much used to it. So.
And it's complete. So we did the rings. So it looks like. And then Mommy did some detailing on the front. We could sell these cakes. Pretty good at it. I'm really excited we did it.
I think we're ready for the Olympics. What do you think?
Yeah. But the fun part's going to be eating it.
Kenzie?
Yeah?
This doesn't look any better than it did earlier.
You mean? I'm just starting.
You are?
Yes!
I thought you started like an hour ago.
I just got back in here.
Oh, okay. Well, what have you done so far? It does look a little better. Just like your bed looks a little better. But
Austin kind of destroyed it.
Austin kind of showed it, so you're blaming on him?
Yep. No, he actually did.
He did. This is weird. Let's see.
15-6-3-3. And the stories now in on Simone Biles as the two Americans embrace. And there's the score for Biles 15.
Go see. McKin. Oh! Hey, it does look better. You're right. It does look better.
On gymnastics during the Summer Olympic Games. I'm
Besides
Shannon
tonight,
White,
she
and what a
was
day
like,
it has been. The women took to the Rio Olympic Arena today for the
Simone Biles won! Yay! And who got second?
on the podium with prodigy Simone Biles becoming the fourth consecutive U.S. woman to win all-around gold and team gymnastics. Raisman redeeming her
I said yes.
all-around Olympic disappointment.
Oh, they're crying.
Here in Rio. Look at those happy faces. Very much
No.
also talked to our Rio insider and 2008 Olympic medalist Samantha Pesha, bringing us all the inside scoop from each.
I love having an 8-year-old sister. And she looks like a 4-year-old sister because she's the tiniest person on her goal, like, well, not, like the tiniest 8-year-old on earth, and she's super light, and she has a cute face.
For the next
Look at her.
days. So there is no gymnastics tomorrow and
And her arms flap like a baby. I can put her in a crib when she's sleeping in. Wow. And she's just flopping. I still have to commercial. Look, come on. Ow. Ow. Oh. It's our Tide commercial. Tide goes strong. And Simone Biles is strong. Estimated. Look at her hair. Mommy did it. She's 3'2", but she will not be underestimated. However tall she is.
How tall are you?
3 feet, technically. Let's measure her. No!
Yeah, let's measure her.
This is how tall I am. I'm like 2 feet tall. Okay, so let's stop it where her head is. So right there.
46.5 inches.
So 46.5 inches. How many feet? So you're almost to 4 feet.
Almost 4 feet tall.
You're 3 feet. I'm almost 5 feet. See, look. Let me measure when I'm short. Measure me when I'm short.
Women and accomplished something great. She's really been there for them every step of the way.
But I will say, I've never really seen her get too emotional.
Right there.
Okay, you're 3 foot 10 inches, Mackenzie.
If you were that short.
Okay, Ray, let's do you.
I used to be this short. I think I'm taller than the picture.
So you are 58 inches tall. You're almost 5 feet.
How many?
You are 4 feet 10 inches.
Actually, wait. Allie Raisman's really good, and she's like 5'5".
Allie Raisman's 5'2".
So I managed my goal is try not to get over 5'2". It's the medaling!
Okay, make that your goal.
And we're shopping with Rylee. Come and I. Please do not fall.
I'm gonna try.
You need a wall at every store.
We need one of these at home.
You need a wall like at every store. So every store we go to, we can put it on the wall. Yeah, see how long you can do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You only made 20 seconds.
It's home down here. I want to try to climb around here. Let's go.
Come on, kids. Let's go to the store. Let's go.
Watching the Broncos preseason football, and it's really cool. And these are all the outfits that we're wearing.
He needs to play guard or center. When you see the Bears already trying to cross-train him due to that injury. Several aggressive. That was our McDonald's rookie spotlight.
Okay, guys, so we spent a little while cleaning Candy's room, and I was helping her, and this is what it turned out to look like. Turn this light on for you. Her bed and all of this. Her kitchen area was probably the easiest because she already had it somewhat clean. She doesn't have her shotguns here yet. We put them on a basket. We're going to put it up soon. And there, and the biggest surprise. Yeah, it's crazy. We did a lot in this. So her room looks so much better, and I'm just hoping that she can keep it clean. I hope she does. So that's what we spent our last like an hour on. So yeah. Oh, it would have turned out pretty well. Wow, we're really tired. So we're gonna read this story and then we're gonna go to bed. Thanks for watching. Don't miss a day of our Love My Life ×4 vlog. See you tomorrow. Keep loving life. Bye!